Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So this is finally going to be the video, the final review on this hair that you guys always ask me about every time I post it on Instagram, anytime I post it on Twitter. Like whenever I post this hair, I get questions about where is it from, what is it, give us the deets. And this is actually my Indonesian rippled hair from 2020 that y'all saw me unboxed from the pandemic year. Let me get to the pros of this hair because there are many. This is Indonesian wavy hair, like I said in the beginning. This is called their Indonesian ripples on the website VainLuxe collections. Now, this is not the natural state of the hair. These are some old flexi rod curls that I had brushed out eventually. And as you can see, the curls are still there as if I just put them there. They are absolutely beautiful. This hair is so freaking thick. Like this is only 3 bundles of hair in a closure and it is thick. And I mean thick from root to tip. You know, usually most times when you get hair, well, sometimes if you get hair, it'll be thick from the root down to the middle, but towards the end it starts thinning out a bit. Not this, baby. Not this. Thick from root to the ends. Even when I straighten it out, the ends are still incredibly thick as if it were at the root of the weft. This is just insane. This hair is so thick. It is so juicy. It is soft, but it doesn't have that silky softness. And that's fine with me because I like coarse hair. It's not rough, but it is coarse. It gives me like, without product in it, like oil or whatever, it gives me that kind of squeaky clean kind of feeling. Like it's not silky. It feels very, I don't want to say dry, but lack of a better word, it feels kind of dry, but it's not dry. It just feels very coarse. It's not silky, and that's fine with me. The hair is very soft. Let's not confuse that with the hair not being soft. It is very soft. It is just not silky. And I think that is what contributes to this hair being able to hold a curl the way it does. The luster, I don't know if you guys can see it well, but the luster is so beautiful. It's not a high luster, but it is like a moderate luster. Like this reflects light so beautifully. Like, oh my God. Like this hair will look shiny very easily. Very easily. This hair is very low maintenance as well. Like you do not have to shampoo and condition this hair a lot. Like I haven't shampooed or conditioned this hair in probably like maybe a month or so, and I've put oil on this hair. I've put additional heat to this hair. I've put like wax stick on the closure, everything. I've put more oil on this hair, and this hair keeps on trucking, okay? This hair does not get weighed down by product or anything, so you can put a lot of product on this hair and it will keep its integrity. Like this hair really has me speechless most of the time because it can take a beating. This is some tough hair. If you are somebody that is really rough with your hair, this is the hair for you right here. This hair can really take some chafing, and I love that because for somebody like me, I have straightened this hair bone straight. I'll show you guys some pictures. I've straightened this hair bone straight. Like I said, I've put this hair in flexi rods. I've worn it in its natural state, and in every state, this hair is absolutely just beautiful. This hair has so much body. So much body. Like it moves so effortlessly with ease, to the point where it's kind of annoying. If you live in a windy city, this hair is going to be all over the place for you and it's not going to be fun. But this hair takes nothing to move. Like it just has an effortless bounce to it. It is just, this is some movie star hair, okay? Now I do have some cons with this hair. More to the point of stray hairs. There are short hairs throughout the bundles, but it's not nearly as noticeable as in the closure. But like I said, it does tangle in the nape. I barely do anything to this hair, so that could contribute to the tangling that I do get, but be on the lookout for that. Like you will have to do some detangling to the back of this hair, but as you can see, I am continuously running my hands through the rest of the hair with no problems, straight to the ends with no problems. It's just when you get like around to the nape area that you may have some tension. For the most part, you can detangle this hair with your fingers. Sometimes I do get those like little stubborn knots that I would have to brush out instead of using my hand. But like I said, I barely brush this hair. I barely do anything to this hair, like right here. Barely do anything to this hair, and it's still looking as good as it does. So of course I'm going to get a bit more tangling than you guys would, but for the girls that are rough with their hair, this is what you have to look forward to. Now in terms of shedding, now when you're detangling, you are going to get some shedding from this hair. It's nothing drastic or anything like that, but it's mostly like little short hairs coming out. Like it doesn't come out in full strands or like any clumps or anything, but you will get like short strands of hair coming out. And I think I would more so call that breakage than shedding. But that's also something to note. But this hair, like I said, I've had it over a year. I've been wearing it off and on for a good amount of time, and this hair, as you can see, it is still thick, it is still full, it is still luscious. I have no reason to believe that this hair is shedding detrimentally. So this hair definitely can withstand the test of time. It can withstand different styling requirements. The only thing I haven't done to this hair is color it, and I'm sure this will color effortlessly, because like I said, this hair can take some chafing. So I have no doubt that this hair will definitely color well. Like I said, I am in love with this hair. I had no issues with the company. Their customer service is great. You will get your hair within a week. Their shipping is very fast. You have like absolutely nothing to worry about. I can't even, and their prices are really good. Really good. I will, like I said, I will post the original video down below in the description box for you guys to check out, so you guys can see all the details and everything. But yeah, guys, I can't believe like these flexi rod curls are still in this hair. Like, no joke, this is not the natural texture of the hair. This is legitimately flexi rod curls that I have had in here for weeks. So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any additional questions or concerns that I left out, please let me know down in the comment section. Don't be afraid to ask. And yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. And until my next one, I will talk to you guys soon.